There's 3 steps to becoming your own medical intuitive. A lot of people talk about medical intuitive work as an energetic or an emotional type thing, which is part of what we will do and we're going to talk about, and I'm going to share some stuff with you. But also we're going to look at the actual physical body and the physical anatomy of the body as well. There's 3 steps to becoming your own medical intuitive. And the 3 steps are simply, so the first step is heal yourself. The second step is trust in gut instincts / gifts. So when I talk gifts, I'm talking about your psychic abilities. And the third step is conceptualization of what you see, feel, hear, smell, and know.